Ekitongole ekirikujunaanizibwa ha mutindo gw'ebyemibazi ekya National Drug Authority kibeire kikurirwe Fred Karungi Kabuye na Dr. Jean Muhindo kuvuga n'omusinga wa Rwenzururu Wizire Charles Mumbere.
Discovered that it is better to work with the people than working for the people. Because when you work with the people, they own whatever you do. And things concerning them, they need no much coercing anybody. You just need to guide. The population need guidance from us.
The cultural institutions have the structures in place which NBA is bringing on to deliver on mandate. So this is why we are here today.
Urukiko rube rugenderero kureba ko mutindo gw'emibazi y'ekiraguzi gwatungurwa. Urukiko rwejumbirwemu ba minisita b'obusinga ba Rwenzururu.
And we agree that anybody who contravenes any law of the supreme law of the land should be punished. That's what we agree when we get the constitution.
Without authority, when they are not authorized, some of them are not even professional in those areas. There are people who even steal drugs and start selling them in the public.
Omusinga wa Rwenzururu Charles Wizire Mumbere omukugamba kwe asimira b'ekitongole kya NDA abo kuteekateeka emibazi y'obuhangwa.
If there are factories that process these medicines, we shall know the ingredients, what constitutes any different types of medicines that these people make from the herbs. And would get to know the efficacy or the potential in the ingredients to treat the presented ailments.
Omusinga hona hamizo kwa etekatekire kwatanisa na NDA okureba ko mukago ogu gwazo mu meisho.
We are predisposed because of the various minerals in Kasese.
Gasha kwa Nagudi Fatuma.